Hello everybody, I'm come from TestSmart company and we have our sales office also in Germany and in China, and our main product is KVM. The key point is if you can use one keyboard and one mouse to control more computers. Now I will show you a matrix. If you have more computers, more than 2, more than 4, and if you have more monitors, use this product, you can control use one keyboard and one mouse. I'll show you this product is 8 by 8. Here's 8 output from A to H. Here's 8 input from 1 to 8. If you have more than 3 or 4 computers, also you have a camera, you can put the input here. And if you have more monitors, you can put it here as output. And you can choose different model and to show different 4 monitors like this model, and to one like a video wall, and also to separate different. And for sure we have more type of them like 2 by 2, 4 by 4, 4 by 8, 8 by 8, 60 by 60. And also you can use a computer to control this product matrix. Yeah, and to show which monitor to show which singular. If you want to get more information, please visit www.tesmart.com. Thank you.